Today, I'll walk you through how to change the start day of the week in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your week view so you can better analyze your data. First, let's open your Power BI dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll be able to see your reports and data visualizations clearly. Once you have your dashboard open, navigate to the Home tab. Here, you'll find a variety of options to manage your data. Look for the option that says Transform Data. Click on Transform Data, and this will open Power Query. Think of Power Query as your data preparation kitchen, where you can mix and match your data ingredients before serving up your final report. Mats. Now that you're in Power Query, go to the Add Column menu. From there, select Custom Column. This is where we'll create a new column that defines our week start day. Day Monday. This formula tells Power BI that you want the week to start on Monday. Diorm. After entering the formula, click Enter or OK. This will apply your new custom column, and you should see the changes reflected in your data. Diorm. Now, it's important to note that Power Query natively defaults its weekend and week start rules based on your operating system's regional settings. For example, if you're in the US, it defaults to Sunday, while the UK defaults to Monday. Definitive. If you want to override this for your specific file, go to File, then Options and Settings, and select Options. Under the Current File section, look for Regional Settings. Here, you can change the locale for import to a region that matches your preferred default calendar view. Definitive. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the start day of the week in Power BI. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how you visualize and interpret your data. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.